If you are in Nigeria, you already know that your case is different. Your fight is different. You are fighting from different, aspects. There's village people, there's, every online people, there's townspeople, they are there. So you have to have sense. I mean, you have to do this thing the proper way and just stop falling your hand. It's your hand you are falling. Stop falling your hand. So I want to share with you some things you should be aware of before you invest in your business. Okay? It's a wisdom tip that will save you. I hope you find value in them. When you were doing the deal, nobody was there with you. Wisdom has come for you today. Carry a chair, grab a chair, and let's talk. Hello guys, I'm Ruth Ekrigwe Solomon, your SME lawyer. So today I want to talk about something that has been happening on this space. Plenty people have been talking about it, and I want to give my own 10 cents that might help people. 10 cents. 10 things you should know about investing. You should look out for before you start investing. You should just know before you start investing. Let me go ahead with it. Are you ready? 1. Don't invest in a business that you do not fully understand. I know you will tell me, barrister, but they told us now, this is it, they showed us the calculation, how it happen. It's just like somebody that wants to marry. It's all the sweet thing, you turn your head. You will not see plenty things. It's others that will see it and be telling you. That's why a third party is needed before relationships are, melted and molded. Okay? So it's like you want to marry now, you not do your own due diligence. You now say, No, you have to be aware. Understand it. Understand the business before investing in it. And I don't say you have to understand 100%, but understand to a good extent what it is. So if you don't even know types of investment, you don't even know what is stock. You don't even know what is equity. You don't even know portfolio. You don't know anything about investment. You just hear say, put 100K, you will get 800K in the next 10 days. You put bam. Then you now come and start shouting. Please understand the business before you put your hard-earned money into it. I hope this next one, don't invest with your life savings. Yes. So I recently heard of a woman that invested in a particular amount of money. I think that money was given to her by her husband to keep for a particular family project, and it was millions of naira, like tens of millions, I guess, or even more. I guess it was even more than, I think it was up to hundreds of millions. It was a big money, and so she was like, okay, let me just put this money here, then you get some return, and she didn't even tell her husband. When these things want to happen, you just all of a sudden you feel like you are King Solomon, you have all the wisdom. So that was how she did it. Eventually it's so sad, she committed suicide because she could not pay the loss when she heard that the company had folded up and it was all a sham and all of that. You don't want that. So don't put your life savings into investment. Okay? Don't put your life savings. Put in money, but don't put your life savings. Don't put the money that you know that if it goes, you commit suicide or you not be able to handle it. So put what you can handle. These things are in level. Know that investment has some level of risk, and it may not turn out the way you expect. That's just the truth. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Even your own business that you are doing now, you are saying that person is a scam, but even in your own business, there are times that you have made losses. Were you a scam? Tell me. You are not a scam, but sometimes things happen and you lose out, like you don't make the profit you're supposed to make and all of that. So before you invest, just be aware that investment has some level of risk. So be mentally prepared. Ask yourself, can I take this if this thing does not turn out? Sincere with yourself. Because even as business owners, there are times that business does not turn out the way you expect them to. It doesn't mean that your business is a scam, does it? It doesn't. So you have to be aware that investment has risk. Business has risk. Investment has risk. So it might not turn out 100% the way you want it to. And should it not turn out, be prepared mentally for it, so that you don't break down, you don't get to commit suicide, you don't get to, lose your health or anything. Just be aware. Just prepare yourself. Just be aware. Prepare yourself. It will help you a lot to go through it. Okay. Another thing you should know about investment is that investment is one way to grow money, to grow wealth. Another thing you should know about investment is that investment is one way to grow wealth, and not to make money in the real sense of it. So people are at different levels. The first level is to learn how to make money, right? The second level is to learn how to keep that money. Third level is to learn how to grow that money and keep it and grow it and keep it and grow it. But some people, they just want to jump from learning, you're just learning how to make money. You have not mastered how to make money. You want to grow it. You break down. You are trying to start. You're trying to, skip some processes which you need in your financial journey. So just know that investment is not for the faint-hearted. Okay, investment is not for the faint-hearted. You have to know that, so that you're not putting so much pressure on yourself and all of that. Investment is beautiful when it stays longer. Investment is beautiful when it compounds. That's the beauty of investment. It's not something that happened 4 months ago. You will see people saying 15 years ago, 10 years ago, 20 years ago. That is investment. That's what we're talking about here. So we're not talking about something that you just want to use, and solve your daily bread. No, if you're in for that, then investment is not your best plan. Another thing you should know is that every investor that has become wealthy today actually lost some money in their journey, towards wealth, growing wealth, and all of that. This is because a lot of things are not certain, right? A lot of things are not certain. No matter how you've done your forecasting, everything is on point. A lot of things are not certain. Sometimes there may just be a little mistake somewhere. So most people that have become, you will hear that for you to become a millionaire, you must have lost a lot of millions. Okay, for you to become a billionaire, you must have lost a lot of billions. It just takes that level. Sometimes you have to lose those things for you to learn how to get them again, and again. So it's not for the faint-hearted. If you know you are faint-hearted, please think again. All right, so that's for this point. Okay, so you want to invest in a business. You just hear invest 200,000 naira, you get 1-2 in 3 months, and you invest in the business. Then when the thing don't work, you now come out and be shouting, scammers, Ponzi, scammers. Oh, yes.